Good morning. Is everybody ready for an exciting week at work? How many of you actually have off on Wednesday? I know I do, so that's the only saving grace for this week.
No, we had the Crest, but they're almost gone. Now we got Care One, which is like an actual dentist brand.
I think if we go to CVS.
CVS?
CVS.
If we go to CVS?
They have them at CVS.
CVS. Oh, she's working 3 days.
So, my brother and his girlfriend started doing white strips.
My bottom ones are, I didn't do my
I'm thinking
bottom
about getting a
ones.
haircut. What do you
When
guys
I
think?
smile, it's like white and then yellow.
Keep it long or cut it
Yeah,
short?
like in 3 days.
So you got bigger difference?
Yeah.
What do you think, Persuasion?
I think that it looks good
The
this
other
way,
ones
but
are
if
cooler,
you cut it
like
short, you can
the
still do
Crest
that.
ones, 'cause they're like
Let me see
just-
the back.
What?
Like
Let me see
paper
the back.
thin.
It's like a little film kind of thing.
It's like the shit, the Listerine
No, I
strips.
don't like it from the back.
And you just hold it like this.
You don't like it from behind?
No.
No.
10 seconds to dissolve.
That's what I said.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, like
What?
suction.
So, my hair's getting longer, so I have two options. I can either cut it or style it differently. I'm gonna pick style it differently just because it's easier. But in order to style it differently, I need to go to the store and buy some new styling material. I think I'm probably the only one that still uses this product. Old school for the win. And now I'm gonna go pick up some popcorn because somebody ate all my popcorn. Bastards. So I'm on my way to meet up with a buddy of mine so we can go down to Baltimore to see a show. Should be fun, except for I'm stuck in traffic because there was a huge accident, or what it looks like a huge accident. I see like a bunch of cop cars up ahead in the distance. Crazy. I can't even tell what's going on. Yeah, I don't even know what any of that was. I couldn't see an accident or anything. It's just a bunch of traffic. In Baltimore, about to go see the show.
Jet and Papa Roach.
Jet and Papa Roach at the Ram's Head?
Yep.
At Ram's Head. Spur of the moment. That's how I live my life.
Oh, Daddy, yes.
That's the Papa Roach concert. In the back. I doubt you can hear me. But so there's Papa Roach playing. But take a look at where we're at. Oh yeah, that's right. Football's on. Oh yeah, football's on. Just leaving the show, met some cool people, had a couple of drinks, fun time. Now we're heading back to the parking lot. Nobody can hear me though because there's a bunch of people screaming. So yeah, we're on 7. And now it's a long ride back home, and then it's a long ride back home for me, times 2. And then, oh my god, he got into the picture by himself. I'm amazed. Not only that, but then it's the long being by myself at home editing this for you guys. And then
But where's Casey and Claire? They did leave because they were
that's
standing
right.
with the guy
Packed
who
elevator.
we kept throwing this one.
So I'm starting to edit the footage now. I know what you guys are thinking. Tommy, where's all the footage from the concert itself? Well, instead of having a theme song, enjoy that footage. Roll it.
Don't